Guys, with crypto, with positions, with trend breaks, you have to be quick because when these things happen fast. And we've got Algorand this morning. The reason I'm bringing you Algorand is because of this. We've got a trend break on the 4 hour. We've got a trend break happening now. What does this actually mean for Algorand? How can you capitalize on that? How can you protect yourself? And what are the next target levels? We're not only going to be doing that, guys, we are going to be doing quick fire videos during the course of today. I'm going to be doing short, snappy videos of things that are breaking trend. Guys, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, make sure you don't miss anything like Algorand or any of the other videos that I'm going to be doing today. So this is Algorand, this is the 4 hour, this is the trend break. Let's dive in. Okay, let's do a deep dive into Algorand. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at Bitcoin dominance. If Bitcoin dominance is coming down, that's showing us an indication that altcoins are going to start rallying and outperforming Bitcoin. That's showing indications that things like Algorand have got a higher probability of moving. And you can see the dominance is starting to come down. The dominance has already been battered. That is one positive. We're not going to go into too much macro in this video. It's just going to be focused purely on Algorand, but we're at a strong resistance point now. So the 28-cent level, that is a key level. That's where current price action is now, 28 cents. Once we close above 28 cents, got 39 minutes on the candle, then that's looking a lot better. We can look for bigger projection targets, next resistance points. Where is the next resistance point? It's all the way up here at 42 cents. So if you stuck your risk to reward tool on here, what would that look like? You've got a break here, you've got targets here, and you've got protections here. You've got protections here. That's a 3.22 risk to reward. So the way that I would play this, guys, I'm on the 4 hour, I double click, got my indicators are overbought, so I'm waiting for this to pull back. I'm waiting for the stochastic to pull back, and remember, usually I do the daily chart, so this could happen today or tomorrow. A pullback, what would that pullback look like? It looked like this. So if you can bring your risk down on this, and if it pulls back, it's not the end of the world, as long as you hold this support and as long as you don't take out the previous low. If you take out the previous low, you want to be out with the minimal amount of capital possible. So I've got stop losses here, 0.2445. I've got entry currently sat at 28 cents. If we can pull back further, you can bring your entry down, you can reduce your risk, and you can increase your reward. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. Now, I'm just going to jump out into the daily time frame. This is important because one thing that's happened on the daily is we've got a stochastic cross here. It's crossed over, it's starting to push back over the 30. That's indicating that there's a likely push to be happened by the bulls on the higher time frame. That's likely that we're going to get a breakout. We've got 16 hours and 37 for the candle close on this. So if the 4 hour manages to break and close above, there's a higher probability that the daily will break and close above. And then there's a higher probability you'll be moving up to the next level of 43 cents. So that's looking good. The RSI is still above 50. That's looking good. If we just zoom out, we can see what the big projection levels are. This is the previous bull market high, November 2021. That was sat at $2.99, $3. So we've used our Fibonacci retracement tool. We've done this time and time again on previous cryptos, guys, but conservative 382. Remember that. There's the previous all-time high of the 2021 cycle. We've measured that all the way down to the bear market low down here. Then you've got projections of the 38.2% retracement. That's sat at $1.20, guys. So that's going to be a target going forward into the bull market. Does it mean we can't hit the 0.5? Does it mean we can't hit the 0.618? Does it even mean we can't hit the 0.786? It doesn't, guys, because that brings us up to this range, the top of this range here. Why is this range important? If we just zoom out, 1, 2, 3. Look at the size of this range, guys. So there is a high possibility we could come up to the 786. However, take it one step at a time. How long have we got left in the market? There's the 382, 317%. There's the 0.5, 438%, 618, 558%, 727%, all the way up to the 786. Now, you ask yourself one question. Which one do you want to hit? Of course, you want the 786 to hit. Are you going to put sell orders at the 786? If you do, what happens if they don't get hit? That means you're riding your bag of cryptocurrency during a bear market all the way down to pretty much 98% loss, guys. So make sure that you take profits on the way. Make sure that you see what's in front of you. Make sure you understand what the next resistance barriers are. That is the big resistance barrier, 38.2% retracement from the 2021 high. That's sat at $1.20. In the meantime, guys, we've got the 42 cents to break. Once you break the 42 cents, expect little resistance all the way to this $1.20, $1.22. So that's what I'm looking for on Algorand, guys. Jump into the Discord group because this is where we can monitor everything. We could do updates on ICP. We could do updates on ICP. We always do updates on ICP. We do updates on Algorand, do updates on any cryptocurrency that these guys pick. And there's like 350 odd people in there now. So it is getting ramming. And there's lots of great guys in there, guys. Tell you something. This is such a diverse group with such a bunch of people that have got the same shared interest. And guess what? Every single one of us bounce off each other. That's a community. That's a family. That's completely free. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, join the Discord group, and I will see you very soon with more crypto videos.